In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable background app refresh on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9, whether it is 41mm or 45mm, GPS or GPS and cellular, you can easily disable or turn off background app refresh on your Apple Watch series. This is going to make your Apple Watch battery last longer. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do while on the clock screen is press the digital crown once, and this will take you to the app menu. On the app menu, locate settings and click on that. Once you click on settings, scroll down and tap general. Then scroll down again, locate background app refresh and click on that. Then you should see the background app refresh enabled. Then you have access to all the applications running your Apple Watch Series 9 background. Now to disable this background app refresh or turn it off, just toggle this off and you should see all the applications disappeared on the screen. However, if you have some application you want to run in the background section, just come here and remove the application whose background refresh you don't want. So here you can just turn off Memoji, Medications, Homes. Then once you disable all this application will stop running in your Apple Watch Series 9 background. See that? So that's all you need to do to turn off or disable background app refresh on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.